Welcome to the second episode of Tour the World. Throughout this series, we'll take you to different places using our special 4K drone camera. Today, we're exploring Sharjah's exciting heart, where old meets new and history mixes with new ideas. Our journey begins at Ittihad Square, a place that shows Sharjah's dreams for the future. Ittihad Square stands as an emblem of unity and progress, showcasing the vibrant spirit of this city. Its striking design and towering monuments pay homage to the unity and diversity of the Emirates. Here, you'll find yourself enveloped in the pulsating rhythm of city life, surrounded by vibrant energy and tall buildings. But we're not stopping there. Close by is the famous Blue Souk. It's a big market where you can find lots of cool stuff from the Arabian world. The Blue Souk looks like an old marketplace, but it's actually quite modern. This architectural marvel, also known as Souk Al-Markazi, is the beating heart of Sharjah's shopping scene. It was designed by British architects Michael Lyle Partners and was completed in 1978. When you walk near the Blue Souk, you'll see a pretty lake with clean water and lots of greenery along the beach area. It's a nice place to relax and enjoy nature away from the busy city. There's the Crystal Plaza Tower, a really fancy building in Sharjah. It's full of luxury and looks amazing. It is surrounded by skyscrapers made of glass. Get ready to be amazed by its beauty. At Flag Island, you'll see a very tall flagpole with the UAE flag. It's a big symbol of how the people here come together and are proud of their country. And there's a bridge that connects Flag Island to another special place called the Central Souk Mosque. This bridge isn't just for cars and people, it's a way for everyone to feel connected. Hope this video has given you some new insights into Sharjah and inspired you to plan your trip soon. We value your feedback on how we can make our videos even better. Stay tuned for the next one, and until then, happy travels!